it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be showing you how to make a gingerbread ornament. This is using the leftover beads from the SoftFlex Company Gingerbread Mystery Kit. So I have all these little garnet beading wires that was left over from my old spool that came in the kit. So I went ahead and saved those, and this size is the perfect length to create a cute little ornament for the holidays. So we're going to go and slide on our gingerbread. I'm going to slide on one of these white beads, and these are 8mm beads that I used from the Customer Appreciation Week that SoftFlex had in September. I just have a few of those left over that I'm going to add on. So I'm going to add on that pattern there, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So it's going to look like this. And I know the wire is a little unproportionate for a lot, but that's okay because we're going to go ahead and bring it together like this, and then we're just going to be using the longer piece of wire. So we're going to go ahead and slide on one of our silver 2x2s, and you get 20 in the mix or in this kit. Then we're just going to slide on that extra, the small end, and scoot it down, and it's up to you how much wire you want to show. Rollaway bead, how much wire you want to show, in your design, because it's that beautiful garnet color, so it's perfect for the holidays. And garnet is the birthstone of January as well. And get it however you would like it. And we're just going to smash. I'm going to give it a little bit of wiggle room just so that garnet wire shows. So we have our little tail. And this is kind of a large hole bead, so it should fit over both strands of the wire, and it does. And we're going to add in the white. I have that little tail left, and I know that these brown ones won't go through two spools at once. So we're just going to trim our tail off, make sure we don't trim the wire that we're working on. I put one of those on. So a little bit more of a tail I need to trim. So when this happens, I just take off the next bead in line. That way it leaves just a little bit of wire. When you put that next one on, it'll cover it up. And we're going to add on the brown bead, another white bead, and this pretty silver one on top. And then we're just going to put on another 2x2 and thread it through. Now it's up to you how big you want your loop to be. If you want to be able to hang it directly on the Christmas tree branch, or if you want to put an ornament hook, up to you. I'm going to leave mine fairly large, and then I'll just go ahead and give it a smash and rotate. And I don't have any tail, but then that beautiful SoftFlex wire is showing as a little bit of movement on the piece, or on the ornament, I should say. Just like that, you have a beautiful gingerbread ornament made with your extra beads from the gingerbread kit and just the extra pieces of SoftFlex wire. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for further content, tutorials, and unboxings. Have a wonderful day.